Namaste and welcome to this powerful yoga for manifestation sequence. The yoga that will not just allow you to tone your body, build your flexibility, your strength and stability, but also will enhance your energy flow and therefore your manifestation powers. If you're new to yoga for manifestation, just make sure you watch that video. That's the first link in the description just below here, where I'm explaining the full power of yoga for manifestation. And today actually I want to do a very powerful morning flow sequence with you. I'm not just gonna reveal it just yet, because first we go into show reel. Hit it. So the sequence we're going to do today is the sun salutations. Now obviously there's a lot of different forms of sun salutations out there. The one that I'm gonna teach you today is passed on by the yogis from the Himalayan mountains. So it's very, very powerful. It's to activate your sun channel and to connect to the sun energy, so your active energies. And we're just going to start by actually ensuring that our breathing channels are open, are balanced, because our left nostril is our passive, our creative channel, whereas our right nostril is our active, our sun channel. So we're going to make sure they're nicely balanced to get ready for this powerful practice. So just take your thumb and close your right nostril and just breathe through your left nostril only, and just see if it's actually free, if the air flows freely. And then if it's slightly blocked, just try to force the air through it slightly, like just do that until you feel the air is freely flowing through your left nostril. Then we do the same thing on the right side. So we block our left nostril and we breathe through our right nostril, checking if it's nice and open. If not, we just force the air through it until we feel our breath is balanced. So we just close your eyes and take a few breaths through both your nostril, making sure the breath is balanced, because if we have balance in breath, we have balance in the mind and balance in the body. So keep your eyes closed and just breathe through your nose. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale and slow exhale. Just open the hands on the side of your body and continue deep abdominal breathing. And now connect to the sun energies. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and come back. So I'm gonna lead you step by step through each pose of the flow, and then at the end we're gonna put it all together and do the sun salutation flow all in one beautiful sequence. Okay, so first asana is holding pranam at the front of your chest. The thumbs are slightly touching heart center, so connected to heart. Elbows, make sure elbows are straight, so it's not like this. They're in one line. Hold strong. And we inhale and we go into back bend. Now here, the goal is to actually aim for a 90-degree angle before we come back. Obviously, this needs a little bit practice. So you just go as far as you can in each asana. We always aim for perfection. So the first inhale, palms up, slightly arch back. And exhale, come down, full palms into ground. Now if your palms can't reach the ground, just hold onto your thighs with your hands, but always try to reach a little bit further. So if you can't reach the ground, make sure your hands, your feet are all in one line, beautifully aligned. Bring your belly close to your thighs and just exhale here. Nose into knee. Then inhale. Right foot steps back first. Right knee comes onto ground. The right foot goes flat onto the ground. And then we inhale here. Chest is nice and high. Gaze is looking forward. And then with the exhale, we step back with our right foot into plank position. So here you want to make sure your shoulders are directly above your wrists and your body is nice and straight. So no mountain and also no hangmat, okay? So nice and straight. We hold the breath here, and with the next exhale, our knees go into ground, then chest goes onto ground as well, bump stays up. So it feels a little bit squeezed in here at the beginning if you're not used to that position. If you feel a little bit of pressure in your back and in your chest, that is perfectly fine. So a little bit like a caterpillar. And actually then the chin, if we're doing it in the flow, the chin won't go on the ground. But for now, if we're just getting used to each position, we go through it slowly. Chin can go onto ground. It's very powerful pose because all I don't know the word in English. Joints. Sorry. All the joints are on ground. So inhale up into Cobra Bhujangasana. Here you want to make sure you don't raise yourself too high. Actually, the belly button stays on the ground. So it's the upper body part that pulls up, pulls back. And then you want to make sure your elbows are not pointing out, but they're close to the body. Okay. Inhale here. Now exhale, push back your body into downward dog. When you're just starting, you can, warm up your legs a little bit by stepping both legs out a little bit so that you can aim to bring your heels fully into ground. Now here you want to make sure your hip is pulling up and back so that your head and your chest comes closer to the ground. Arms are straight. Now from here, look forward, bring your right foot forward. Now left knee goes onto ground, left foot into ground. Again, gaze forward. Now left foot steps back between your palms. Exhale here, nose into knee again. And with the next inhale, bring your palms together in front of your body. Inhale all the way up, arch back. And exhale, bring your palms back into pranam. Inhale, exhale here. That's half a cycle of sun salutation. Now we're going to do exactly the same thing, starting with our left foot, stepping back to complete the cycle. So inhale, arch back. Exhale, forward. Palms into ground, head into knee. Inhale, look up. Left foot steps back. Knee onto ground. Feet is flat. Look forward. Exhale, right foot back. Plank position. Exhale, knees into ground. Chest into ground. Inhale. Cobra pose. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot steps forward. Right knee, right foot into ground. Look forward. Breathe. Right foot steps forward. Exhale, head into knee. Inhale. Come up, arch back, and exhale, hold pranam. Inhale, exhale here. That's one full cycle, complete cycle of sun salutations. Now we're just gonna do it in one flow, and I'm gonna guide you with the breath so that you can feel how it is in the sequence. Okay, so pranam in front of your chest. Inhale, exhale here. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, palms into ground. Inhale, look forward. Right foot steps back. Left foot steps back. Plank. Hold your breath. Exhale, knees onto ground, chest onto ground. Inhale, Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, left foot steps forward, look forward. Exhale, right foot back, head into knee. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, palms into pranam. Inhale, exhale here. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, full palms into ground. Inhale, left foot back, look forward. Exhale, right foot back, hold plank. Exhale, knees down, chest down. Ashtanga Pranamasana. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, left foot steps forward. Exhale, right foot steps forward, head into knee. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, palms back to chest. Now just open your palms by the sides on your body. Breathe and connect to the sun again. Now your channel is perfectly aligned with the sun energies for this powerful, active energy to flow through you, to energize you and get you ready for a powerful day. Bring your palms back into pranam. some powerful intentions for your day. And when you're ready, open your eyes and come back. So, at the beginning of your sun salutation practice, you can do 3 to 5 cycles. So we either do, it's the divine numbers of 3 or 5 you can practice with. Then try to up it to 11 and also increase the speed of your flow all the way up to 21 so that you can actually do one full cycle in 1 minute. So you get 21 cycles in 21 minutes. That would be your perfect morning practice. So aim to do that and let me know in the comments how you're progressing, how you're doing, and we see you on the next video. Namaste.